Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Emma's Goodies cupcakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For wet ingredients, have 1/2 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Don't forget 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Having everything prepped makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender crumb. Next, beat in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients, starting and ending with the dry mixture, mixing just until combined to avoid overmixing. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a muffin tin with paper liners. Evenly distribute your cupcake batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. An ice cream scoop works wonderfully for consistent sizing. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before frosting. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, it's time for the fun part, frosting. Prepare your favorite frosting recipe, making sure it's smooth and easy to spread or pipe. You can use a piping bag with a decorative tip for a professional look, or simply spread it with a spatula. Add sprinkles, edible glitter, or other fun toppings to make them truly special. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious homemade Emma's Goodies cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.